Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete the folder that cannot be deleted. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. And for this video we'll be using this software right here, unlock it, and of course I'm gonna leave the link in the description for you to download it. And once you're in the website, click download program. It's only 50 megabytes, it's not a lot. And right now we're gonna go straight up to the setup process. Once you have downloaded the setup, open it and then click yes, and once it has opened the setup, click next and click here I accept the license agreement, and again next. And here, if you have multiple people using the same computer, click the first one, or if you're the only one using the computer, click the second one, and after that click next. And here we're going to install it typically, not complete. For this video, if you want to download it complete, just click it, but I'm going to download it typical. Click next and then after install, and it's going to take about 1 or 2 minutes, but for me it took only 1 or 10 seconds because I have already installed the software, and yeah, that's why. And once it has finished installing, click finish and it's going to launch the application. And for this video we'll be using this software right here, an undeletable folder, and if I access it or delete it I won't be able to. As you see here, it says you don't currently have permission to access this folder. If I click continue, it will say again that you don't have permission to access this folder, and if I try to delete it I won't be able to. I click continue, and as you can see here I can't. If you want to know how to make an undeletable folder, watch my previous video. I will leave a link in the top right corner right here. Right now let's go to the software. Once you're in the software, look in the top left corner where it has the X thing and the delete below it. Click that and it will say resources to delete. Go in the right side of it and click the little folder. It says add folder, and select your folder that you want to delete. I'm gonna delete the undeletable folder. Click OK, and then after that click again OK, and it says here, are you sure you want to delete this folder? Just click yes. You're gonna wait for a bit, and as you saw, the folder just got deleted. If I go to the trash can or the recycle bin, as you can see here, the folder is still here, but you can right click and empty the recycle bin. And that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.